अमरीकी रियासत वर्जीनिया से चेयरमैन एजुकेशन का इलेक्शन पाकिस्तानी नयाद अमरीकी डॉक्टर बाबर लतीफ़ लड़ रहे हैं। 92 न्यूज़ से गुफ्तगू में बाबर लतीफ़ का कहना है कि मेरी कम्युनिटी के लिए मेहनत और लगन किसी से छुपी हुई नहीं और कम्युनिटी को चाहिए आप वोट डालें और अपनी शनाख्त पैदा करें।
My name is Babar Latif. I'm the chairman of the Prince William County School Board. I am on this November's ballot to run in the election to hold my seat as chairman of the school board. It is important to get out to vote for someone like me because I stand up for student success, the safety and security in our schools. I want to make sure we have enough space and infrastructure, and I want to make sure that we have good teacher salaries. I want everyone to know that I represent the 37th largest school system in the entire United States. It is the second largest school system in the Commonwealth of Virginia. We have 91,000 students, 98 schools. 70% of our students are of an ethnic minority, whether they be Latino, African American. 8% of our students are Asian American. Most of them are Pakistani, Bangladeshi, South Asian. I went to public school all the way from kindergarten to medical school. Public education worked very well for me. I want it and I need it to work for all of our children, everybody. It is critical that if you want your voice to be heard, if you want a voice at the table, you have to vote. You have to vote. You can't just vote once every 4 years. You have to vote in every election, local elections, federal elections, every single election. It is critical. If you don't vote, you can't have a voice and you can't complain.